What's up guys? Today I'm going to be putting on the CBI Tacoma ditch light bracket. This is what they look like straight out the box. This one with the D for driver side. This one with the P for passenger. And also I'm super stoked on this. Shout out to BUSTABEATGEORGE, sold them to me. They're the Baja S2 Sport wide angle with the amber lens. Today I'm gonna put the CBI bracket on, and I'll show you how to mount the S2s to the bracket, and also I'll show you what I did for my wiring harness that came with the Baja Sport. So here I got it hooked up to the battery with the red. With the black, I hooked up to that screw for the ground. Got some wiring to clean up probably, but I tried to do as neat as I can right there in that bundle. Here is where it splits off to the lights that's going to plug in, and it goes off down the center to the other side. The one there is what goes through the firewall and into the cab. Just take out that rubber piece and cut a hole in the middle. It's a pretty clean entrance through the firewall. It's pretty close with the GoPro. Show you what it looks like from the other side too. Might be kind of dark, but there you can see where it comes through. These are the tools needed to do the install. The 1/2 inch is to take the hood, 2 screws out on each side. The 9/16, I have 2, one being a ratcheting wrench, and that is to tighten the light onto the bracket. And I have another option to take the hood off, just a 1/2 inch socket on a ratchet. Makes it much easier when you got a second person helping you to hold it. That way you have 2 hands to work with. Without an extra person, this would be much harder. But it's definitely not a hard job. Still an easy job. Definitely possible one-man job. It's your first mod to the car. Easy first mod. Definitely worth it. Came with all the necessary hardware and a bracket that screws the light to the bracket, and the hardware that's going to screw the light to the mounting bracket, CBI. For now, I'm just going to hand tighten them on both sides. Now that I got the light hand tightened to the bracket on top, I'm going to show you where I'm running the cord. First you need to take this little pin out. Then I'm going to run this one between the two and tuck it down. And just pop this boy right back in. Boom. want to make sure the cord's loose and it's not being smashed by your hood. As long as you can push it a little bit and pull it a little bit like that, you're good. Now I'm going to go ahead and push as much as I can with letting me turn it how I want them. Right now I'm going to leave them just tight enough to where I can move them with my hand without it being too hard. That completes the install of the CBI ditch light bracket and the Baja Design S2 Sport wide angle amber lens with the pair. I have it wired with the wiring harness that came with the Baja Design light.